Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply send the Ethereum coin from any of your wallets to your Coinbase wallet step by step. Our first step simply involves clicking on send. That's we're going to be sending a particular amount of Ethereum to our Coinbase wallet. In order to do that, we simply open up Coinbase, head over Coinbase Wallet, not Coinbase Pro. And once you get to the wallet section, you simply click on receive. That's after inputting your passcode and the rest. Click on receive. Click on your Ethereum address. Click on copy. And now we head back to Trust Wallets, where we simply paste this address and enter the amount of Ethereum we would like. Let's go with $10 worth of Ethereum. You click on continue. A transfer window pulls up, stating how much is going to cost, the network fee, and the rest, everything in Ethereum. So with this, you'll simply be able to send your Ethereum, and it would notify you on Coinbase once you've received any of these tokens. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.